What if I told you the stress you feel right now is not just in your head, it's in your heart, your gut, your blood, even your DNA. And the scary part, most people don't realize the damage until it's already happening. Before we go further, have you ever felt tired even after doing nothing? That's not laziness, that could be stress, slowly draining your body. What stress really is? Stress is not just an emotion, it's a full body survival system. Thousands of years ago, stress kept humans alive. If you saw danger, your body reacted instantly. Heart rate increased, breathing got faster, energy surged. This is called the fight or flight response, and in short bursts, it's actually helpful. It sharpens your focus, boosts performance, helps you react quickly. But here's the problem, your brain does not know the difference between a real threat and a stressful thought. So, when you are overthinking, your body thinks you are in danger. Stress hormones. When stress kicks in, your body releases powerful hormones cortisol, adrenaline, norepinephrine. These travel through your bloodstream, affecting almost every organ. Adrenaline makes your heart beat faster, it raises your blood pressure. Now imagine this happening every day. Over time, this can lead to hypertension, a silent risk factor for heart disease. Cortisol, on the other hand, does something even more dangerous. It damages the inner lining of your blood vessels. And this is where things start to get serious. Because this is how heart attacks begin silently. Heart damage. When blood vessels don't function properly, it triggers a process called plaque buildup. This is how arteries get blocked. And when that happens, your risk of heart attack or stroke increases. All from something people call just stress. You don't feel it happening, but your body does. Brain and gut connection. Now let's talk about your gut. Ever felt butterflies in your stomach before something stressful? That's not random. Your brain and gut are directly connected. When stress hits, your brain sends signals to your digestive system. This can cause irregular digestion, stomach discomfort, acid sensitivity. Over time, this can lead to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, but it does not stop there. Stress can even change your gut bacteria, and your gut bacteria control more than digestion. They affect your mood, immunity, and overall health. So, stress does not just affect your mind, it rewires your entire system. Weight gain and cravings. Ever notice how stress makes you crave junk food? That's cortisol again. It tells your body, store energy, you are in danger. So you start craving sugar, carbs, comfort food. And here's the catch. Your body stores this as belly fat, not just any fat, visceral fat. This type of fat acts like an organ, releasing harmful chemicals that increase disease risks. So it's not just about weight, it's about what that weight is doing inside your body. Immune system damage. In short term, stress helps your immune system, but long term, it weakens it. Chronic stress makes you more likely to get sick, slows healing, reduces your body's defense system. That's why some people are always tired, always falling sick, even if they seem fine. Aging and telomeres. Now, here's something most people don't know. Stress can actually age you faster. Inside your cells are structures called telomeres. Think of them like protective caps for your DNA. Every time your cells divide, these caps get shorter. But chronic stress speeds this process up. When they become too short, cells stop functioning. And this is how aging accelerates. So stress does not just affect how you feel, it affects how long you live. Chronic stress can show up as acne, hair loss, headache, muscle tension, fatigue, irritability, brain fog. Most people treat these as separate problems, but they often come from one root cause, unmanaged stress. Here's the truth, you can't eliminate stress, but you can control how you respond to it. Your brain is always asking one question, is this a threat or a challenge? If you see stress as something you can handle, your body reacts differently. You stay focused, you stay calm, you stay in control. But if you see it as overwhelming, your body goes into survival mode. So the next time you feel stressed, pause, because your reaction in that moment is shaping your health, your body, and your future. If this video changed how you see stress, subscribe to Heart and Mind for more psychology that actually helps you understand yourself. And remember, your mind and body are always connected. Start taking control of both.